All right, I'm back now with the Malabrigo Caracol restock. This is a super bulky 100% superwash merino wool yarn with a cotton cord wrapped around the wool. So this is color cyan. Absolutely stunning. This is blowing my mind right now. Okay, and the second one, let's see. So fuchsia. I mean, look at these two together. They make me so happy. I really want to put those together in something. I made a two-color cowl, brioche cowl, using red and white a couple of years ago, and it looks amazing. I would do it with this too. Next we have Pearl 10, so that, again, that kind of very dark gray with purple tones in it. Then we have Frank Ochre. Oh, I'm sorry, you want to see the yarn, not the label. Oh, that also looks super happy. That also really fun. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, oh, you know what? We have a special edition colorway, Intense. This one's really fun. It's got yellow, red, purple, white. Just really cool. And next we have, this is Teal Feather. I love this one. Might look really good with water green, if you like to put two colors together. Water green would also look really nice with this, this is Azul Profundo, very deep blues. Okay, next we have Piedras. So kind of more toned down. It really reminds me of Stained Glass though. That's a really beautiful one. And this one is Flamma. So really intense orange, like kind of pale orange to dark orange, almost on the red side. Really gorgeous, love that. Solis. So this is a combination of a grass green and a teal blue, really fun. Then we have Plomo, which is various tones of gray, mostly with a kind of a purple undertone again. Some of them have a little bit less of the purple to it, so quite interesting. And then we have Pearl, and I think Pearl and Pearl 10 would actually look really good together as well if you were going to combine them, have a two-color project. All right, next we have Rasta, Teal Feather and Rasta. I mean, teal is always, people love teal, right? That's a gorgeous one. We have black, teal and black. That would look amazing. And then we have Boomerang. We had this last time and brought it back. Then we have Rosalinda, which has been a super popular colorway. It's a light pink with shades of green, orange, blue, really pretty. Then we have Anniversario, purple, pink, green, blue. And then we have Diana, which is nice. It's got green, orange, yellow, a little bit of purple in it. And then we have Fog, a very super neutral, plain color, perfect to, match up with any of the fancier ones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again shortly.